What's up, everyone? This is Seth with the Landing Page Dudes, and I hope you are enjoying your Saturday. Today, I'm going to be going through a new project we're working on for a company called Everybody's Juice. They sell a high-quality plant-based juice as well as supplements. They came to us because they needed help with increasing conversion rates and building a more brand premium look. Now, if you're looking at this hero, you could tell that there are a lot of things that are wrong here. That shop now button is in the middle, it's lost, your eye doesn't easily catch it, and the white background bleeds into the actual image behind. The second thing, which is a big no-no from an SEO point of view, is they're just using one big hero image with the text on the image. They don't have an H1 and H2 tag, and as you know, that's not going to be good for SEO. And then lastly, the quality of these renders, they're blurry and they don't look well. As you know, the average user on Shopify will spend 8 seconds on your website. Personally, if I was to visit this website not knowing the brand, I would not move forward at this point. It just doesn't build enough credibility. Things don't look organized, and it seems like this brand needs more help digitally. So for someone like me, I just would not move forward, and I'm sure you all share that same consensus. As you scroll down, it's very basic. You have your typical as featured on. Then they have the Shopify generated featured product selling their flagship product. And then underneath, you shop by favorites. They have the category collections here and a few more buy boxes. This homepage is very unorganized. Even some of the text is cut off here. It's just not done well. And if you want to succeed in this space, not only do you have to have a good product, but you have to have a website that could really put your product at the forefront. It has to make sense from a UI, UX point of view. And you also have to have an aesthetic. You have to have a brand. People want to purchase because of brands. Look at Louis Vuitton. Look at some of the biggest brands in the world like Goldie or AG1. They're drawn to not just the product, but also the brand and premium aesthetic that is wrapped around it. So with that said, this is what the homepage looks like. What our team wanted to do was focus on their audience. We know who they're selling to. It's a younger demographic, and we wanted to use exciting colors, powerful typography, and high quality 3D renders. So what you're looking at right now is the homepage in mobile that we've designed. This will be ready in Shopify in less than a week, but I got really excited by this project, so I wanted to make this video showing you the design. The hero section, we love the colors here. We wanted to make it very visually shocking, and we're using high quality typography with a 3D render and an easy to reach shop now button. As you scroll down, we're keeping with that as seen on. This is going to be on a carousel that's going to be scrolling from left to right. Underneath is a new modern trend where you see typography and imagery put together. Again, we're designing according to their audience. Everything we do at Landing Page Dudes is customer centric from a design point of view. Finally, underneath, we've designed a custom buy box. If you remembered on the old homepage, they're using this Shopify produced buy box. To me, it's boring, it looks empty, and there's nothing exciting about it. But because we're building custom, we're making this beautiful buy box. And when you work with Landing Page Dudes, not only are you getting custom design and custom development, but you're getting our expert advice. So we're pushing clients onto subscribe and save models, especially in the supplement space, because that's where they work the best. So not only are we looking to increase conversion rates, we're looking to increase average order value. And it's super important that you have to provide a very powerful experience, especially in this buy box. Here you see the reviews, you have to see the big bold text, you have the high quality 3D renders, you have the option to buy one or subscribe and save. Finally, underneath, we have this animated marquee with the text that I'll be scrolling with all the different benefits. Underneath, we're going to be showing all the different bestsellers. And you could see that here, we're not just showing you the price, but we're also showing you what it includes. And a lot of this text is dummy, so it may not make sense, but the idea is there, is we're going to be showing you the product, the reviews, as well as all the different benefits that come with that product. After that, which we find to be the most important, anytime we're working with a company that is in the wellness space and is using ingredients like this, we always say to show it. It's transparent, it looks amazing, and this section is going to work like a accordion. Here you're going to see the key ingredients, and when you click on the health benefits, it's going to swipe left like a drawer and show you all the different health benefits. We like to show the ingredients this way because it's transparent. People could, it's digestible. People could see it, and it's going to work well and increase conversion rates. Underneath that, we have their Instagram that's going to be here. This is going to be dynamic. So this is the design that we've done, but when we go to develop, we will be using their dynamic Instagram grid. We have another call to action here. This is just going to talk more about the science and the benefits. And then here we have another visual section. And again, this image right now is just dummy. We're creating the 3D render, so that will be updated. Below that, we have the testimonials with images. And then finally, we have this call to action, the shop now, underneath with a video and frequently asked questions. I think we've done an absolutely good job. It looks incredible. We've taken this brand to a new height, to a new platform, and they're definitely going to sell much better with this look. To give you a look on mobile, everything is done in mobile first. It's organized, it's clean, it's digestible, it's balanced. The mobile shopping experience is going to be great. And lastly, another thing that we're going to be implementing, and this is super important, according to Shopify, over 60% of people who visit a Shopify website will click on the menu because they prefer to search for what they're looking for. Now, right now, if you click here, you have the regular Shopify menu. We're going to be implementing a smart menu. And just to give you an idea as to how that works is like this. Whenever you hover over, you're going to have a smart menu that's going to show you all the different products visually. This is going to help increase conversion rates. Majority of people that come onto a Shopify website go straight to the navigation. So it's important to have a beautiful menu that is visual, that looks absolutely amazing, and is going to help the customer get to where they want as quickly as possible. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment below or send us an email. Thank you for all of your support. And if you didn't watch our last video, we are selling a new advertorial template. We have a $25 coupon using Dude 2024. So get on that before the prices go up mid-February. Have a great day. Enjoy your Saturday. And I will be back again shortly with another video.